Hi everyone, Jake Bernstein with the 2chimps.net Chimpcast for the week beginning Monday, the 17th of August. We're going to start out by looking at the big trends in the S&P. Here's the S&P weekly chart, moving average channel, and what I'm showing you is my screen, my actual trading screen. Moving average channel shows that we are in an uptrend. Every time we've come down to the bottom of weekly support, we've rallied. It's been a beautiful trading range market. Doesn't make a lot of investors happy because stocks are not really growing that well, but as a trader, you're buying the bottom of the channel, selling the top of the channel. When we switch to the monthly chart, which I'm going to do right now, it's a great, big, beautiful uptrend that remains intact, has been that way for a long time. And you can see here the inception of the bull market all the way back here to December 2011. Actually, the signal came right over here. So a lot of people will say, well, this bull market is really old. There's nothing here to suggest to me that we've seen the top. There is some bearish divergence, by which I mean higher prices with lower momentum and lower MACD. Now, on a daily basis, you do have some sell triggers, but they have been reversed. In other words, we had a sell setup right over here, but no trigger actually. So even on a daily basis, we remain in a sideways uptrend. So the bottom line here is this. Markets bottom on bad news and they top on good news. The news has not been particularly good. It's been mostly bad news. So my view, very simple. Stay long stocks, be a buyer of stocks on support, bottom of the moving average channel, or wait for buy triggers. Let's talk specifically about the gold market. I'm going to switch to the gold chart. So bear with me for a second. I'm going to the gold chart, and that would be GC. Hold on one second. Switching to the gold chart, looking at the daily chart. That should be coming right up. On a daily basis, the trend has really not turned higher yet. We're waiting. Waiting for what? Let's get that chart. Come on up here. Where is that puppy? Hold on one moment, please. Just a second. First time using Camtasia to record this, so bear with me. And this will be the new format. Once I get good at it, you'll see some very positive changes. Here's the gold chart. In the gold chart daily, we have two complete consecutive bars above the top of the moving average channel, waiting for a trigger. Remember the most important thing. We are in a period of seasonal strength in gold, silver, platinum, palladium, all the precious metals. Start looking for buy triggers in these. If you go to a chart like FCX, Freeport McMoran, which has taken a lot of heat lately, we actually have a bullish divergence setup. Again, I point out to you, new lows in price without a new low in MACD, without a new low in momentum, and these are very close to triggering. We'll be watching them closely for bottoms. Be prepared. There are a number of other stocks that are in good configurations technically. We're going to be recommending those on 2chimps.net. But the overall concern here for the Chimpcast is this. The direction of the market is still up. Nothing has changed our point of view. The news is basically negative. And let me share one more thing with you, and that would be the market sentiment. So just bear with me for a second. I'm going to bring up the market sentiment. Hang on one second, please. Again, apologies to you. This is my first time using Camtasia to record off my screen. And this is my actual trading screen. So just hang in there. Okay, I'm switching to a chart. And I'm going to bring up the S&P. I want to show you something very important. At the bottom of the chart, we've got small trader sentiment. At the top of the chart, we've got price. And in the middle, we've got commitment of traders' commercial positions. You will notice that I'm going to switch to a quarterly chart, in fact. Watch this. Let's go back to the monthly. Sorry about that. Low sentiment, market bottom. Low sentiment, market bottom. Low sentiment, market bottom. Low sentiment, market bottom. This is where we are now. So this is the small trader sentiment. Less than 20% of the traders that we survey in terms of our daily sentiment are bullish on the market. They're feeling that prices will go lower. Ordinarily, what you'd see here is a very high sentiment. High sentiment would be an indication or a leading indicator of a top. Low sentiment indicator of a leading indicator of a bottom. So it's a very interesting anomaly. So configuration here very similar to what it was here, and we have not been in a down move. We've been in an up move. People are getting frustrated with the sideways movement, which is causing them to be bearish. So Chimpcast will be giving you specific recommendations in different industry groups. For example, the metals, be very cautious there. We're expecting lows seasonally. Sometimes these seasonal up moves can be very big. Contact Elliot or I at 2chimps.net if you have any questions, and we'll try and make the Chimpcast a little longer for you next time and go through more industry groups. Thanks very much for being here. Write us if you need any help. And by the way, do attend our webinar this week on trading psychology and trading behavior. Thanks for being here. Jake Bernstein signing off.